Guys, I need to share this with you. You know that feeling of finally finding something that actually delivers what it promises? Well, that's exactly what happened when I discovered Ted's Woodworking. Today, I'm going to share my real experience with this material and how it completely transformed my woodworking journey. If you want to know if it's worth it, stick with me until the end. Oh, and if by the end you decide this is for you, the official website link is in the video description. First impressions. I'll admit, at first I was skeptical. I'd already tried following several free woodworking plans online, and most of them were just frustrating. Wrong measurements, missing details, poorly explained projects. So when I saw that Ted's Woodworking had 16,000 plans, I thought, is this really good? Or is it just another internet scam? But as soon as I took the plunge and accessed the material, I realized it was completely different from anything I had ever seen before. The level of detail in these plans is insane. Each project comes with clear instructions, material lists, 3D diagrams, and, best of all, exact measurements. No more guesswork or wasting wood. My experience in practice. The first thing I did was pick a simple project to test it out. I chose a coffee table plan, and for the first time, I didn't get lost halfway through. Each step was explained in a way that anyone could follow. The result? A piece of furniture that looked like it was made by a pro. After that, my confidence grew, and I started challenging myself more. I built a bookshelf, then a dining table, and before I knew it, people around me started asking for custom furniture. That's when it hit me. I could actually turn this hobby into an income source. What impressed me the most? Extremely detailed plans. No room for doubts. Every project includes precise measurements, cut lists, and even material and tool recommendations. Perfect for all skill levels. If you're a beginner, there are easy, step-by-step projects. If you're experienced, you can move on to advanced builds. 3D diagrams and multiple angles. No more guessing how the pieces fit together. Everything is well illustrated. Constant updates and lifetime access. I didn't just get 16,000 plans, but also new projects every month at no extra cost. Massive savings. Not only did I learn to build my own furniture, but I also saved a ton of money and even started making money by selling my creations. Is it worth the investment? After using Ted's Woodworking to build amazing furniture, my answer is a big yes. This material truly delivers what it promises. If you're tired of bad plans and want a complete solution to finally build with confidence, this is hands down the best option out there. And the best part? You get immediate and lifetime access. Just click the official link in the video description to secure your copy before the price goes up or spots run out. Drop a comment below. What's the first project you would build?